All right, if you were to live in another country, where would you choose? Well, with me, I said I would probably live in Paris, I'd probably live in Vancouver, and I lived in a couple other places. But I've always wanted to go to Africa. Well, for actor and TV host Kevoy Burton, his answer was Ghana. He migrated last year, March, and so we are checking in with him to see how the experience has been. And I heard the word migrated, and I said, no, man, the man just go and visit two people in Ghana, and soon come back. Migrated mean the man not coming back anywhere soon. My brethren, what go on?
Go on, Neville. Everything cool.
I can't complain. Tell me good morning or something in the language. I don't know what the language is there, but tell me something.
They say, Etiseng. It's like, how are you?
Yeah.
Etiseng is, how are you? And you say, Eye.
I say, Eye.
Eye, yeah.
Which means I'm all right.
Yeah.
Eye.
That's like, Wagwan, me cool.
Yeah. So everyone says, send some money quick. How me say that? Kevoy, why? Before Ghana, why you wanted to leave Jamaica in the first place?
To be honest with you, I like Jamaica, I love Jamaica, you see me? But I've always recognized that the country is very small, you see me? So, I mean, obviously there's the internet space where you get access to a large market, but it's still competing with billions of people. You see me? I say? So yeah. when I look at it, my brother, I just wanted something bigger. You see me? Like you want to get like more reach like my full potential, and see where I can go. You see me?
Yeah. You said in your own words that most people, like myself, well, not like myself, no, but as what I did, most people want to go to the United States, United Kingdom, Canada. I won't ask you why Africa, that's obvious, but why Ghana?
All right, I think Ghana is the one I got the opportunity in first. You see me? I shot a movie here in Ghana the first time I came, and I met some Jamaicans, and it's a Jamaican brother. Man, he went to Arden as well. You see me, like me. And he must say, yeah, Arden boy, people like high school thing in Jamaica. And he say, oh, Arden boy, take me and show me around. I'm going to say to him, say, yo, my brother, I would actually live in Africa. I want to move from Ghana. And he say, okay, boy, if you're serious now, because I send for a couple of people and they're never serious. You see me? So if you're serious, sure, we can help you integrate in the society. And that's what I do.
Yeah.
You see me? I said, so from Ghana, show me the opportunity. And then it's beside Nigeria. So, you know what I mean? Ghana peaceful. Love it.
Having got there, tell me I won't say the first impression because you said you shot a movie there first, but give me an impression of the place overall. Ghana, if I said Ghana is, how would you finish that sentence?
Beautiful, my brother. Beautiful place. It reminds me of Jamaica a lot, actually. It's very similar. It's very similar in scenery and, I mean, except for beach, because nobody can beat Jamaica in a beach.
Yeah.
But Ghana look very similar to Jamaica, and the people look similar too. So it's very beautiful, my brother. Beautiful to see.
Yep. How were you accepted when they found out that this is a Jamaican coming to live in our country? How did they accept you?
Funny enough, they love Jamaica. They love Jamaica. They love Jamaicans. They love talk about everywhere I go, and they say, yo, and I say, yeah, I'm a Jamaican. They say, hey man, you have to teach me that patois. They love it. They love it over here, sir. And I mean, you wouldn't know until you venture these parts that these people, they love Jamaicans. Everybody wants to visit Jamaica. Yeah. And I want to take them there.
Yeah, you already said that you love Jamaica. We all do. And I'm going to start another sentence for you, and you finish it for me again. And the sentence is, if I could change this about Ghana, it would be what? Is there anything that you just say, yeah, I love the place, but maybe, whether it's a transport or how them drive, if you could change anything?
There's like a power thing in Ghana. Like there's an abuse of power. You see me? So everybody from the lowest guy to the highest guy, once they have power inside their hands, they abuse it. I'm not saying it's everybody, but that's general in the society. You see me? So a lot of the people live fearful.
Yeah.
You see me? Not fearful like fear for their lives.
Yeah.
Because nobody's going to kill them. You see me? But they know their place, if you understand.
Yeah. I would only say that probably obtains in most places in the world.
That is true. That is true. That is true.
What about Kevoy now? What's Kevoy doing? Have you gone away from what you do normally? Are you still acting? Are you getting roles? Are you involved in other things? I think you are involved in a restaurant.
Yeah. There's a Jamaican restaurant. It's the biggest Jamaican restaurant here. It's Caribbean Fusion. It's called Jamrock, and I am the brand manager here for it. Yeah. So my brother, I tell you, said, help me out. His wife owns the restaurant. Okay. And they brought me in and say, all right, so since you know marketing, let's be our brand manager. Yep. And they put me in charge of marketing for them and a hotel called Uktaza Hotel.
Yeah. When you say the biggest Jamaican restaurant, would suggest that there are more Jamaican restaurants apart from
they have some restaurants here and there. I think it's the biggest Jamaican restaurant in West Africa, actually.
Okay. What about acting?
Acting, no, I haven't done any acting yet. Because acting, I think I'm reserving the acting for Nollywood. You see me? Obviously, I'd like to get a chance at the Ghanaian industry. But if I'm being frank, the Nollywood industry is much bigger, you see me? And I can get a lot more out of that. Yeah. You see me? I say, but in Ghana now, I'm a TV personality. I host 2 TV shows.
Oh, brilliant. What about Jamaica you miss, if anything, apart from we? If anything.
I miss how close things were. You see me, like if you want to go to the beach, we just jump in a car and we go on the beach. If I want to see my father, you know what I mean, we just jump in the car, go to Spanish Town to see him. Yeah. You see me? I miss seeing my youth them because I have 2 pitney, You understand? So, I miss having them on a weekend. Yeah. Me and them go out and we eat some ice cream or ramp and things. Yeah. But other from that, I'm cool still.
Migrate, or is a 2-year, a 5-year, a 10-year, or Kevoy Ghana, if you want to see him come to Ghana.
It's the one. Ghana, nice, yeah?
So, you're finished with us?
Nah, man, we can't finish with Jamaica. I'm going to finish with Jamaica. Jamaica, I'm a place, you see me? Yeah. So, what I want to do is, I will still work with people. You see me, from time to time. Anybody who want book me, them can book me, but Yeah. I have to come. I have to come back.
Yeah, are you planning a trip?
Yeah, so I'm planning a trip for Jamaicans. Well, not Jamaicans, US people, everybody in the West. They can come to Ghana in December. You see me, I said December 24. I'm partnering with a black tour company in Africa. I think it's the only black tour company in Africa called Away to Africa.
Okay.
See, they've done several tours of Africa. And Mauli Gaba, who's a Nollywood star, you see me? So we're partnering and we're bringing people on December 24th to January 2.
Yep. I think Sheffield told me recently in a serious way that there's a direct flight to a country in Africa. I think it's Nigeria.
No, they discontinued it like last week.
Oh, they did? But how? Yeah. Because I'm afraid to fly now. I want to go to Africa. So how you reach? Where you go? London? How you go? How long? And I'm being serious. How long is the traveling time from Jamaica?
Yeah, it's very tedious. So most of the time I go through United States, then I go through Europe, and then I come to Africa.
How long that take you?
Sometimes it take me 23 hours of traveling.
Wow. And how much flying time is that?
The flight to America is about 4 hours. To Europe is about 7, and from Europe to Africa is another 7.
So 11, 18 hours. Whew, plenty. Anybody you want to hear before you go?
Yeah, man, I want to big up my family, Big up my family, big up my friend, big up Auntie Delia, big up yourself. Big up everybody who's behind the camera. Never big up yourself. Everybody at Jamaica, we love Jamaica, miss Jamaica. So forward.
You should see our face, because usually people don't hear her up, You should see our face. So they say, watch out. You should say, big up Auntie Delia, people don't hear her up normally. So. Okay, then, it's a family thing. Boy, Kevoy, I'm so incredibly proud of you. I'm happy that, anytime people do what they want to do is the greatest thing in life. A lot of us are in places that we don't necessarily want to be, and I don't mean physical places. We just don't want to be there, We don't like the job. We don't want this. When you're in somewhere that you want to be, it is a joy. God bless you. Much love, my brother. Look after yourself.
Bless up, my brother. Respect.
Yeah, man. By the way, we're like them have people where you can send money and things to. Don't you have those places in there? Later, Kevoy Burton.
See you later. Later.
TV host and actor. All right, coming up
Yeah,
next, Auntie here and me will discuss the benefits of cycling in 10 minutes to your health. But soon come, stay with us, please. What a joy that was.